Hello everyone. Welcome back to our channel. In this video, we will learn to play with magnetic balls and stick. Inspired by the Montessori approach to education. These innovative toys combine the power of magnetic attraction with the principles of hands-on exploration and discovery. Each set features small magnetic balls and connecting sticks that allow children to engage in open-ended play while gaining essential skills. Join us on a journey of hands-on learning and creative expression with magnetic balls and stick. As children manipulate the magnetic balls and sticks, they are encouraged to experiment with patterns, shapes, and structures, fostering creativity and imagination. From simple geometric shapes to complex architectural designs, the possibilities for creation are endless, providing ample opportunities for problem-solving and critical thinking. It helps the kids to understand magnet principle. Kids can develop a deeper understanding of spatial relationships and mathematical concepts in a fun and engaging manner. They are moderate-sized, which prevents accidental swallowing. Designed to inspire curiosity and foster a love for learning. Magnetic balls and stick as Montessori educational toys offer a versatile and enriching experience that encourages independent exploration and self-discovery. Whether used in the classroom or at home, these magnetic toys provide a valuable resource for educators and parents seeking to support holistic development in children. Thank you for watching. For more interesting videos, please subscribe to our channel.